Hello fellow Rosarians, thank you for joining me today. I want to do an unboxing from somebody that we have not ordered from yet. This is from Long Ago Roses, and they used to have a storefront, and that website you were able to order, and it was kind of like, you know, all of our vendors when they have their opening day, if it's in fall, it's a mad dash to get the harder to find varieties, and they sell it rather quickly. And I think when she had her storefront that the prices were, you know, like $20 or $25 a rose, very reasonable, and I wasn't ever able to order. Everything was always sold out, and so she has now started selling through eBay, and I've been watching the auctions and the escalations in prices, and it's just crazy what people are willing to pay for some of the harder to find roses. If it's Evelyn, you can even check sold auctions and you'll see that they're up above 300. I think something even went for 400, which just blows my mind, because I know that I've shared with you places that we can find Evelyn. Yes, there's a little bit of a wait list, but Evelyn and Jude, you can find them. So why people are paying that much, I don't know. So I've been watching the auctions, and there was a rose that I was interested in, so I ordered. It came through USPS, and I'm dying to show you, what the rose looks like and what you can expect. They're all going to be the same size, roughly, whether you're buying, the $400 rose that you've bid on or the $20 rose. I think bidding starts at under $20, maybe $18 or so, and, it goes up from there. So let's get in here and look at this rose and see what it's all about. So this is my rose. I bid on this and it ended up costing me $20, and so I would say that this is a rose that's comparable in size to High Country, Northland, Rogue Valley, who else? Ma Cherie. So this is a rose that should be about $25 or so. I can see I've got my hydrangeas behind me. I see some beautiful hydrangeas blooming down this side, so they're kind of blocking the rose. But this is what we're looking at. I see two canes. Everything is smaller than a pencil, so definitely a starter rose. Let me get in here and see if we can see some roots on this. It's packaged well. It stayed moist in shipment. So this is going to be own root, not grafted, and I'm taking off the paper here so that we can see, and so you can see roots here in this. The potting medium itself is very moist, and I can see roots nicely rooted through here. I'm hoping you can see that. So all in all, for a $20 rose, I'm happy with the size of the rose. I don't feel like I paid too much. I feel it's really perfectly priced at $20. Well, with all of our unboxings, we do a rack and stack. It's going to be really hard in this case to rack and stack this, because with auctions, you guys are all going to be paying different prices. So let's do it based on the fact if you can get it just for around $20. We're going to rate this in our band size roses. I'm going to put here at the bottom of the screen what the price breakout was for this rose. And for all of our rack and stacks, we say if I can buy 5 roses from that vendor, what is the overall price with shipping? And now let's go ahead and put up here for all of the band vendors that we can order from, where does Long Ago fit into that stack if you can get it for $20? So I hope that this video was helpful, so that although we're all going to be getting different varieties from her, you're going to know what to expect with the size and the quality. I think that this looks like a great rose. It's very healthy. Looking at the leaves, there's no issues, and so I anticipate that this baby is going to take off very quickly. I hope that this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.